Hello Bears class, it is time for phonics. But first, I'm going to sing hello to everyone. Ready? Let's say hello to everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Let's say hello to everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Now, today in phonics, we're going to make some different sounds using our mouths. So, I think the best way to warm our mouths up, ready to make some sounds, is by moving it. So I want you to pretend you are eating something really crunchy. And stretch it wide like a big yawn. Do that again for me. And now a big smile and a frown. And a smile and a frown. And one more big yawn. Okay, now we should be ready. First, I want you to think, what sounds do these different things make? Shall we listen to the first one together? Can you have a go at making a drum sound using your mouth? Bang, 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 bang. Okay, what about the next one? Choo choo. Choo choo. Can you have a go at making that choo choo? Or clickety clack, clickety clack, clickety clack, choo choo. What one's next? Let's try this cuckoo clock. So it was a ding dong sound, ding dong. And the little bird would go, cuckoo, cuckoo. Can you copy my sounds? Cuckoo, ding dong. Okay, the ball is next. I think that ball might make a boing sound. Big wide mouth, boing. Can you copy me? Boing. And lastly, our fireworks. Oh, it was a whistling sound. And bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Can you make a whistling sound? Bang, bang, bang. Okay. If you want to make any of those sounds again, you can pause me. If not, we're going to move on to the next slide. We're going to think about the animals, starting off with our pig. Can you make a pig sound? Oink, or so you can say oink or go. Brilliant. What about our duck? Quack, 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 quack. That is really good for getting your mouth moving. Quack, 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 quack. Next up is our cat. Meow. Can you make a cat sound? Meow. How about a mouse? That is a squeaky sound. Squeak, 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 squeak. Can you make a squeaking sound? Squeak, 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 squeak. Next up is our bear. 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 Can you make the same sound as me? Bear. Bear. Now our cow. If you keep your lips closed, it tickles. Next up is our snake. Can you keep your mouth closed and use your tongue by your teeth to hiss? Well done. And last is our dog. Woof. Make a little woof sound. Woof. Woof. Brilliant. What is next? Right, now we're going to listen to sounds, see if you can guess what it is. Did you hear? Shall we listen again? What do you think? I think it's a drum. Yay, well done. Okay, what's next? Ooh, that's a good sound. Maybe a cymbal. Should we have a look? It was a cymbal. What is next? Ooh, that's a nice sound. I'm not sure. Maybe something that you blow into. Shall we have a look? Oh, it was a flute. A flute. What instrument is that? I think it's a piano. Well done if you got that one right. And our last sound is... I think I know what that one is. I think it might be a violin. Shall we have a look? Yeah, well done. What words could we use to describe those sounds? What do we think about the drum? It is very noisy. How about our cymbals? Our cymbals go crash. Have a go at thinking of a word for the different instruments. You can pause me if you like. Lastly, let's think about what different sounds can we make with our body. I can make or. What about you? What sounds can you make? Can you tap your knees? Can you click your fingers? What about stamping your feet? Now, I want you to all have a go at home, making some sounds with your body. And then, after you've done that, you can watch the next video where we practice our phonic sounds. See you soon.